How to find your page new activity on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to know your page new activity on Facebook. Easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it, and here click on those three lines and click on your page. Once you are in your page, click on overview, and now scroll down and you're gonna find insight. Click on it and click on see all. Scroll down and you're gonna find page activity. Your page activity, new page likes, new followers, click to your website's phone number clicks, get direction clicks, page button clicks, and new check-in clicks. Instead of 0, you're gonna find the numbers. And this is it guys, easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.